I just bought this off of Amazon because my bike has got one thing that I don't have a tool for, and it's supposed to be in this. Comes in this handy dandy. It looks small. I'm a little worried about that. So I think that this is what I need right here. Look at that. Yeah, I think that is going to be exactly what I need because I've got to tighten down my kickstand. That's what I've got to do. All right, so this is your bike tool. It's got all of the things you need on it. You can see there's a couple Phillips heads. It's got that weird like star type thing in there. And then it's got all of these, I think these are sexagons. They're six-sided doohickeys. And I do believe there's also a chain thing on here for the chain, to do stuff with the chain. I don't know, I never worked with it. So I guess I'm gonna have to play around with this and see how it works. All right, so that's it. It's called the Vibrelli, and we're gonna give it a try. I do believe this is what I need. I'm gonna show you what the problem is with this. Look, see? I think that this will fit right in there, and then I can turn it. I don't know, we'll see. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. That's what I need it right there. And now I've tightened it down. Ugh. Oh, that thing was flopping around on me. Now look, still a little loose, right? Guess I could get it a little tighter. Can't get a lot of leverage on it. That's better than it was. So I think that was nice. That worked. And then it's got all these too, you know. It's got the different sizes. Filming with one hand and videotaping with the other. That doesn't fit in there either. Oh, here's the one that I need. This is the one right here. So yeah, I think it has like most of the tools that you're gonna need for your bike. Yeah, so this one goes in there. All right, so that's it. That works. Yeah. All right, so it's got everything you need on here. And I bought it just for this one thing. But anyway, so now I've got a bike tool that I can use. I love it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.